See here, when I charge my trimmer with the adapter, it is not getting charged. See here, I'll be keeping it here. This is the beard trimmer and this is my Motorola charger. So suddenly I got surprised. Did this got damaged? Means, is there any issue with the battery or the overall product of this trimmer? But if you too are facing this issue, please do comment. Actually, I found out that the problem is not with the trimmer or with this cable also. This is with the adapter. This adapter is also working, but this is 68-watt adapter. Then I searched over the internet, why is this not working? Then I got some news like, if you charge with inappropriate adapter, means high wattage adapter, then it won't charge. So then I changed to some other else, which is this is a nothing charger, CMF by nothing charger. Then I try to connect this is 45 watts. Okay, even when I try to connect this 45 watts, still this is not working. There is no light.